All right, everybody, we are embarking on the Great American Scream Machine here at Six Flags over Georgia. This is the definition of a classic wooden roller coaster. Really fun out and back design, filled with airtime, has that smell of a greasy, oiled chain lift going up the lift hill. All the elements of a classic wooden roller coaster right here. All right, here we go. Oh man, first drop. Oh yeah, it's bouncy, but we love it. If you take a look at the layout of this ride, it is just airtime hill after airtime hill. Here we go. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I love everything about this design. Here we go. Oh, woo. Oh. All righty. Last few bunny hills. Woo. Oh man. Oh yeah. Hit the brakes. Oh! Oh, tooth chipper moment at the end. That was awesome. All right, guys, that is the Great American Scream Machine here at Six Flags over Georgia. Very classic wooden roller coaster. Have to ride this one. It's awesome.